inside this huge box? A big box, huge box. So when she was like she's going to order something, I don't know what it is. I've had my first baby in the UK. I've never heard of this. So it's children's foundation. I don't know what it is. I just know that I remember she said she was going to order something for me. But I have absolutely no idea what is inside this thing. Well, let us find out. Supporting babies in the north is a north is that's why I didn't hear about that time. Love and laugh, play, read, sing and talk counts. Wow, this box looks really nice to put baby stuff in it. Ah, are you kidding? What?
Wait,
baby. What's going on here? We know. Calm down. This is temperature health kit. This is a full huge box. I was not expecting this. I think this is tea for me and daddy. Yeah, two tea, 50 tea bags for me and daddy to drink when we're in the hospital waiting for baby. Oh my god, ginger snaps, it helps with nausea, blah blah blah, for snacking when you're in labor.
Help me hold this one. Let me see.
Absolutely. What? Oh, this is like something I can keep on baby's palm. I'm absolutely. The Northeast is doing well. Like I said, change mat clutch. What is that? Change mat pockets for napkins and wipes. Wow. Inside an adjustable strap too. Wow. Oh my god, how much will it take to pack this one thing for one family? Hooded towel. Oh shit! I was not expecting this. This is a full huge box. I was not expecting this. I think this is tea for me and daddy. Yeah, tea, 50 tea bags for me and daddy to drink when we're in the hospital waiting for baby. Oh my god, ginger snaps, it helps with nausea, blah blah blah, for snacking when you're in labor.
Help me hold this one. Let me see.
Absolutely. What is this?
Look at me. Look at me, shock. I got to my thumb.
What? Oh, this is like something I can keep on baby's palm. I'm absolutely. The Northeast is doing well. Like I said, change mat clutch. What is that? Change mat pockets for napkins and wipes. Wow. Inside an adjustable strap too. Wow. Oh my god, how much will it take to pack this one thing for one family? Hooded towel. Oh shit! I was not expecting this at all. Better capture all these moments because Northeast is doing well. I was not expecting this. Hooded towel. Wow, my first baby band. Do you know this toy is in my registry? That toy is in my registry. Those something are in the registry. Perfect toy. Hey, wahala. This first builder stuff toy. Oh my god, this is absolutely beautiful and mind blowing. The fact that I was not expecting it. Stacking cups. Look, say, swing and play. This is like a key holder that you can just use and the baby can just, they can't eat it. It's waterproof. They can't chew it and swallow it. Oh, balls, soft toys. Balls, blocks and hoodies. 20 pieces of activity.
Yes, go for that toy.
Wow! Chicken, I say wow. I know you must be like, why did I get this? I'm sorry, darling.
Say, what did you call it?
Toys. You saw the toys. Ah, this is absolutely beautiful. I am amazed.
Take.
Oh my God, baby, you won't believe this. A sleeping bag, brand new sleeping bag. 0 to 6 months. I am so amazed. I mean, I am beyond amazed. What is this? Machine washable, soft cotton cellular blanket. Baby blanket! Oh my God! It's a lie.
Is that not the bed you were planning to gamble?
Oh my God! This is like display, like activity mats where you keep on the floor and then put baby on the floor. Then all these things baby can play with it. This is really good. This is absolutely. I did not pay a penny. I didn't even know what she meant. She was just like, there is this, and I can put it down for you. I'm like, what are they going to give me? What is this? Oh,
Kettle.
baby's kettle. Shit. I was about to buy this. It's even on my registry. Oh, British baby box. Wow, 100% cotton. So 2 sheets, 1 blanket. Oh God, this is really. I'm really amazed. I don't know if my excitement allowed me to even do justice. What is this? My dear, I don't know. Is it like?
Pick up.
Hello. I'm too. Wait. Is this a changing mat? Spread this when I go out with baby. And also inside this, there are pockets where I can put like Pampers, wipes, and everything. So I can just pack this and roll it up and put inside my handbag, and I'm ready to go out. Because so I have a changing mat, which is this, and it also serves as a bag. I really want to see what this is. I have to. I'm so anxious. Oh my God, it's absolutely sick! Oh, so if you spread it like this, you can keep baby inside and clean her up, put everything you need here. Wow. Okay, guys, I am excited today. This is good news, at least. So this is food. Biscuits for me and Papa, and then all the reading things that I need to read, and some books for baby. Oh my God, I'm just excited because when she was telling me about it, I didn't have any idea because I was like, I've had a baby here before. Now they didn't give me this, but I've seen now that is a northeast thing. So this is another toy, and there we go, our British guys. I'm so excited. I don't even know what to say again. I've showed you guys sleeping place, mattress, play mat, sleeping bag, blanket, activity play mat, toys, one first toy, second toy pack, hooded towel, bed sheets one. This bed sheet is two, bed sheet one, where they keep the second one. My son is really the chief arranger. He's so excited. Bed sheet two, we have books, we have another set of toys. This is a full packet of soft toys. I don't even know where to start. Everything I need, like thermometer, things to suction baby nose if it's blocked. There's even like room and bath. Oh my god, this is really nice. Like room thermometer to make sure that the room temperature is okay for baby. This is really useful. See, for me and hubby, they didn't forget me and hubby, and this is really precious to me because I want to like keep all the milestones. This is for baby's milestones. I laughed today, I am 2 weeks today and 1 week today. And then we have these soft stuffs that we can put on baby pram. I'm not going to promise, but I'll try and see if I can do a full unboxing video where I unbox everything. I'm not sure that's going to be possible, but I'll try. But just to say, like this northeast is really northeast, you know. This is nail cutter. My son has carried some of the equipment. I really want to understand what this thing is. They say this change maths class. So thanks guys for watching. As I said, I'll try to see if I can do a personal unboxing for this video, but I am not promising. But I'm so excited because this is absolutely beautiful. Hey! Bye bye, see you on the next